85979 Amit Barnwal, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
You are from, good evening. You are from which state?
Sir, I'm from Telengana, but I'm a native of West Bengal.
Native of West Bengal.
Yes, sir.
Oh, but settled in Telangana.
Yes, sir. From the past 6 years, I'm in Telengana.
Acha. But can you speak in Bengali? And sorry, can you speak in Telugu?
Yes, sir. I can speak in Telugu, but it's not that fluent.
Acha.
I mean, I'll be at least able to understand what people are saying, and I'll at least be able to convey my thoughts to them.
అంటే మన దగ్గర కొంచెం తెలుగులో మాట్లాడండి. మీరు ఎక్కడ స్టే చేస్తుంటారు?
సార్ ఇప్పుడైతే నేను తార్నాకలో, హైదరాబాద్ తార్నాకలో స్టే చేస్తున్నాను.
మీ నాన్న ఏం చేస్తుంటారు?
సార్ నా నాన్న అయితే సెల్ఫ్ ఎంప్లాయిడ్ వెస్ట్ బెంగాల్లో.
వెస్ట్ బెంగాల్లో ఉన్నారు.
ఒక చిన్న ఉన్నాడు. ఒక చిన్న కిరాణా షాప్ ఉంది.
ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తుంటారు మీరు? సెపరేట్లీ హైదరాబాద్ లో ఏమైనా ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ లో ఐ మీన్ పేయింగ్ గెస్ట్ అకామిడేషన్ లో ఉంటున్నారా?
అవునా సార్. యాక్చువల్లీ నేను హైదరాబాద్ వచ్చిన మెయిన్ పర్పస్ అయితే ఎడ్యుకేషన్ పర్పస్ గురించి. నేను పీజీ ఇక్కడే చేసిన, తర్వాత జాబ్ కూడా ఇక్కడే దొరికింది సార్. తర్వాత లాస్ట్ 6 ఇయర్ నుంచి ఇక్కడే ఉన్నా.
Oh, now I will come to English. Good. Now please tell me about yourself.
Sir.
1 minute. Yeah, continue. Tell me about yourself.
Good evening, sir. I'm Amit Barnwal. I'm from Hyderabad. I'm a native of West Bengal. I completed my graduation in BCom from Osmani University. I also completed my master's in finance from Osmani University. I love playing cricket, and I love interacting with new people and knowing about their thoughts, and I love traveling places.
You said you got job in Telangana. Which company are you working?
Sir, I was working in FactSet.
You are not working now?
No, so after graduation, I got a job in FactSet. I worked there, and I dropped to pursue my post-graduation.
Prior to post-graduation, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes.
When did you complete your post-graduation?
I completed my post-graduation this year, sir.
2023.
Yes.
Okay. So what is the CGPA scored?
Sir, as of now, I just wrote my last semester exams. It's around 3 days back it got completed. But on an average of the last 3 semesters, I have around 8.2 CGPA.
Good. So what are the subjects you studied in this MBA?
Sir, pardon me, I studied MCom. So as of now, if you talk about the last semester, we had quantitative techniques and business decisions. I had financial management, I had strategic management, I had corporate taxation, and I had financial derivatives.
Can you talk to me something on corporate taxation?
Definitely, sir. So the corporate taxation are levied by the government of India. Well, the corporate tax varies upon country to country. And at the same time, it also varies from the home country companies to the foreign country company. I mean, the MNCs. For example, in India, the highest tax levied on corporate, the corporate tax is 30%. Well, talking about the corporate tax, there are a lot more relaxation that is given. And there is also a word I'm actually not getting it. There is a minimum tax, MAT, minimum alternate tax, that a company has to pay even if they don't fall in the tax bracket.
What is GST?
So goods and service tax was levied in 2016 by the Indian government from 1st July. It was actually bought by it was first bought by France. The GST has rates. It is actually a combination of lot many indirect taxes. It was bought in for eliminating the double taxation which was paid by the people. For example, the GST rate varies from 0 to 28%. 0 or 5% for the necessity goods and 28 for luxury goods or gaming products.
Recently, online gambling was in news. What is it?
Sir, recently the online real-time gaming platform was in news because the finance ministry suggested the GST that was levied on this gaming platform was increased from 18 to 28%. And well, that has been a controversy because a lot many gaming platforms are reluctant about giving it because they feel that it's a very high burden, and due to this, there would be a lot of job loss as the companies will shut down.
What is your view on this?
So my view on this is that this GST was not bought today. I mean, it was bought back in 2016. At the same time, this real-time gaming platform is not a new concept in India. It was, I mean, it's almost been 5-6 years or probably more than that when this real-life gaming platform started. And it is not a new concept for India, but at this moment when the companies have already established themselves and have been playing a major role in developing economies. So levying a 28% GST would definitely impact the finance of the company. So the ministry should take it into consideration, should consider this, and they should reduce it to 18%.
What is the development it is giving to the economy?
So the development that it's giving to the economy is definitely it is contributing towards the GDP. At the same time, apart from contributing towards the GDP, the second biggest thing which is doing is it is providing job employment.
In what way
also.
online games will contribute for GDP? Are they producing
So
anything?
GDP,
Are they producing anything concrete?
not really,
And
sir, but
honestly, I'm not aware whether online
yes, sir.
games can be taken into account for GDP, because if you go and to a steel factory, they come out with steel goods. If you go to a milk factory, they come out with milk goods. Here, what is it they are bringing out? Nothing. On the other hand, thousands of families are perished by being resorted to these online games. And we read every now and then people committing suicide on this.
Yes,
I want to say that this online games must be blocked completely. There should be no gambling online or something like that. So I don't know. You are in Hyderabad.
I can
Yeah.
completely agree to you, sir. Yes, sir. I can
Sir,
completely,
sorry to interrupt
I do
you.
completely agree with you, sir. But
Yeah.
Sorry to interrupt you.
Yeah.
Sir, in Dream 11, the company is providing tax to the government, so it can contribute to the GDP. Like it also type of online
exactly, sir.
gaming that
That's what, sir, because
yeah,
GDP is not
selecting
only
player,
about, sir,
11 player.
producing, GDP is not only
They
about
are
producing,
they are just giving
sir, products.
Maybe they are giving 28 rupees. That is okay. But even that 28, they will not pay fully because they will find some ways, whatever it is, for avoiding it. Then
Okay,
I
sir,
am
shall
of
I
the
answer
view.
if you?
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, as you said that from a milk industry, we get milk, from steel industry, we get steel. At the same time, let me, I mean, make you aware to this fact that with this online gaming platforms, sir, a lot of job is being created, a revenue is being generated. At the same time, this gaming industry also result in the sale of hardware and software, sir,
True.
and accessories,
That
which
is
indirectly contributes to the economy of the country, and hence the economy of the country boosts up.
That is true. But then the job creation
Obviously, the real-time gambling. Yes.
creation for a long purpose, I don't think it should be encouraged. For example, now you create job for smuggling. Can we allow it?
So I completely agree with you that creating job for smuggling, I mean, obviously that's an illegal thing. But down the lane, if you see, sir, it's been almost 5-6 years, and the government is well aware of the fact that this gaming industry were coming more and more with different types of methods. I mean, different types of know-how and the tricks and all. So if this strictness or whatever is to be taken could have been taken in a better and a bit earlier, sir. Now, when the companies have already established themselves.
When I tell you this, I am also aware of the fact that if this is going to be banned, and for playing that, they will charge some extra money. And liquor being not available freely in the shop, that again is being sold. That problem also I understand. Anyhow, this is a very controversial question. Doesn't matter. Now, where are we? We are in Telengana. Telengana governor. Who is Telengana governor?
Sir, the Telangana governor is Soundarya Rajan.
Hmm?
T. Soundarya Rajan, sir.
लड़का ना लड़की?
Sir, she's the lady governor.
No, her name I'm not remembering clearly. What is the name?
T. Soundarya Rajan.
No. You are pronouncing it wrongly. For example, she is also Lieutenant Governor for our Pondicherry. You know?
Yes, sir. T. Soundarya Rajan. That is T.
Tamilisai.
Soundarya Rajan.
Yeah, I'm not getting that one. Tamilisai Soundararajan.
Yes, I mean, I didn't say the initials. I'm
You
sorry
know,
about it.
no. Her name is Tamilisai. Soundararajan is
Yes.
her husband's name. So that's where I am struggling. I could not get it. Tamilisai Soundararajan
Pardon
is
me,
the
sir.
correct. Doesn't matter. Absolutely no problem. You're an MCOM graduate. Please tell me
Yes,
what
sir.
are the sources of finance or income for the banks.
Okay, so I mean, the income for the business could be apart from the regular functions of the business, that is accepting deposit and granting loans, where the banks make a margin, or the profit from accepting deposit, the interest which they accept deposit, and the interest which they give, which they charge when people take money from them. The difference from there, they make an income. Apart from those, there are many of the facilities which the bank provides to its customer, such as credit card facilities, ATM facilities, online transaction facilities. These are the facilities and these are the services that bank give in order to have an income for themselves. Bank, just to add up to that, bank also provide. These days, bank have also come up as a stock broking, sir.
So actually, your answer is not complete. You must also add bank assurance services, insurance policy, then mutual fund products and wealth management services. And apart from this, banks invest in government securities through which they get interest. Banks also invest in shares, and from there they get dividends from that. Of course, there is one more income. When the share is sold at a higher price, they can make money. When it is sold at a lower price, they will lose it. Whatever it is, that is also there. As a commerce
They also
student,
earn in the form of fees, in a form of fees, like the charge they are taking for the issuance of letter of credit or bank guarantee.
So you must tell like that clearly, because you are MCOM.
Sure, sir. Yes, sir.
Please explain priority sector advances. What are the sectors?
Pardon me, sir. I have right now I'm not able to recapitulate it.
Not prepared.
I'll make sure to go and do a homework about it.
Now, how will you market for, say, car loans for our bank?
Sir, if I'm in charge of the bank, the first step which I would take for marketing the car loan is get in touch with the car dealers.
Good.
Get in touch with the car dealers. That is the first step which I'll be taking, sir, because because there could be 100 houses in the locality, but I'm not sure which house is going to buy a car. So the first thing which I can do is I can go and talk to the car dealer. And the formalities and the process through which I can give a car loan facility could be reduced and could be pitched to the car dealer, which in turn the car dealer would pitch to the customers. So this would be my first step. The second could be the moment the pitching is done by the car dealer, we could assign a person from our end to convey the in and out of those car loan to the customer. So these two steps would be taken by me.
Good.
Me to improve the sale of
nice.
Insurance, car insurance.
You told nicely. That's correct. Good. Now, let me ask you one more question.
Sure.
Oh, stop share. When I share only it comes. Or you are able to see that? You are seeing something on the screen like commerce questions?
Yes, sir, it is coming.
You are coming. Oh, Baba, it should not come to you. I must only see it. Okay, I will close this. I close this. Now, come on, tell me, why should I select you?
Thanks, sir. First of all, thank you for taking time out and interviewing me. I read the job description, where I came to know that the person which is required for the job role should be very enthusiastic, at the same time should be a quick learner. From my past experiences, if you allow me, I would let you know some instances where I have been enthusiastic and I'm a very quick learner. At the same time, the job role also demands a person who would be able to communicate to the people in the local dialect. Given the fact that I am aware of 4 to 5 languages, this adds to me added advantage.
What
And
are the
yes,
languages you know?
yes, sir.
Bengali, Hindi, and Telugu.
Sir, apart from knowing Hindi, Bengali, and Telugu, I also know Bhojpuri, and I'm also a 70% or 80% fluent in Assami.
Good. Who is the chairperson of SEBI?
Pardon me, sir. I am not able to recap. I'll just
It's
make a note about
Madhavi
that.
Puri Butch. Like
Mrs.
that.
Madhabi
Madhavi.
Puri Butch. Madhabi Puri Butch. Who is
Yes,
the
sir.
chairman of SIDB? You don't
I have
know.
not studied on it, sir.
You don't know.
Sir,
Doesn't matter.
I have not
Doesn't
studied on
matter.
it.
You have not studied on that. Doesn't matter. What is the net profit of our Federal Bank last quarter?
The net profit of Federal Bank is 853 crores as recorded on 30th June 2023.
Excellent. Best wishes.
That is nothing but 42.13 year-on-year growth.
Excellent. Thank you so much. Best wishes. We'll meet again after